Handwriting. Handwriting is a very important part of education. Teachers have tried their level best to make the students understand, not make their H and N look like each other. Having good handwriting is also useful to get good marks in exams. Here are few tips that helps you to develop a beautiful writing. The number one point is have a proper grip. You can improve your handwriting by making proper grip of your hand on pen or pencil. You can hold your pen against the end of your thumb and index finger. Each person has their own level of comfort with the way they writing, but holding and grip provides better handwriting. The second point is keep the lines connected. Keeping a connection between the letters or words is important. While in a hurry, students tend to lose their connection to speed up and finish the handwriting. To achieve perfect cursive writing, one must remember to keep the letters of a word connected. The third point is spacing of letters. Keep the space between the letters and words consistent. Make proper space between the letters. The fourth point is don't put excess pressure on the pen. While writing, don't apply excess pressure on the pen. Some students write with more pressure so that the handwriting is shown on the next page also. So avoid too much pressure on the pen. The fifth point is practice. Practice is most important. You can write a paragraph of about 1 page daily. Practice is most important concept, so keep practicing. Handwriting determines your dream. How beautiful your handwriting is, so is your dreams.